Greetings everyone, Samuel Soulfire from Full Circle Garden Solutions, and I have a free sample for you today of the upcoming ebook that will show you how to transform fire hazard landscapes into beautiful, fire-resistant food forests and valuable resources. I know it's already so expensive and scary to deal with this kind of fire hazard brush material, but the best part is this ebook that I've created will teach you everything you need to know transform anything that's flammable plant material or piles of wood chips that you can get for free into beautiful, fire-resistant food forest landscapes full of valuable resources worth more than the cost of the defensible space cleanup. We can create delicious, organic food, plant medicine, money. We can build homes and energy to heat your water in your home. Check back tomorrow for another free sample of the upcoming ebook to see which of these great solutions will work best for you.